Hey busy moms, let's face it, the kitchen can be more chaotic than a daycare center during a sugar rush. But fear not, we have the ultimate solution to almost all your kitchen clutter problems. Get ready for 10 DIY kitchen rack projects that won't ask you for advanced mathematical achievement. These projects will transform your kitchen from a hot mess express to a Pinterest-worthy paradise of organization. So let's get cooking and explore the best DIY kitchen racks online. And don't forget, presented by Simp Home, because we know you're too busy to scour the internet for solutions. A space-saving kitchen rack project idea for the pans and spatula. Let's talk kitchen racks. They're like a magic wand for your kitchen, decluttering your space and creating more room to work your culinary magic. Plus, you can even install them under the cabinet above your stove, like your own personalized kitchen tool belt, but way more organized. And the best part? These DIY projects don't require much. Just a ride made from plumbing pipes, some pipe clamps, and hooks like a puzzle you can easily solve on your own. Once installed, you'll notice a significant improvement in your cooking game. No more searching through drawers or cabinets. Everything is within arm's reach, making your kitchen more efficient than ever. It's like having a sous chef who knows exactly where everything is. How to make a knife rack inside your kitchen cabinet. If you're a knife lover, a knife rack is a must-have to keep them organized, and mounting one on a cabinet door is a clever way to save storage and create a clean look in your kitchen. So, how do you make one? Let's see. You'll need some thick boards and a saw blade to create the slots in the middle. Don't forget to add some holes for ventilation. Make as many slots as you need. Glue the boards on a flat surface and clamp them, and you're technically done. Mount it on the cabinet door. And now you can feel like a DIY superstar in the kitchen. It's like magic, but with power tools. A wall spice rack DIY project idea. You're like a mini library for your kitchen, except instead of books, it's spices, measurement spoons, and even cookbooks. It's like a one-stop shop for all your flavor needs. And the best part is that making one of these bad boys requires no advanced science degree. Just grab some plywood for the base, boards for the frame and shelves, and maybe add some wallpaper and lights if you're feeling fancy. Then mount it on the wall like a regular kitchen rack. Or, if you're feeling extra creative, create a hole in the wall to make it look built in. Not only will this spice rack keep your kitchen organized, but it will also give you a chance to show off your creativity and spice space management skills. And let's be real, who doesn't want to show off their skills in the kitchen? So spice up your life and get to DIYing. A kitchen storage shelf and rack idea for the pots. Who says you need a huge kitchen to have a functional kitchen rack? With this DIY project, you can have all your essentials within arm's reach without taking up too much space. First, you'll need some old boards and a vinyl gutter. It's like dumpster diving meets home decor. To build it, screw the gutter onto a board for the back of the shelf, attach the front and side boards, add brackets, slide in the pipe and S-hooks, and you've got yourself a stylish and functional kitchen rack. Plus, you get to do some upcycling and save the planet one vinyl gutter at a time. Who said being eco-friendly can't be stylish? The plywood wall desk idea for the kitchen that you can repurpose as a new kitchen rack and dining space. Who says you can't mix business and pleasure? This DIY project turns a desk into a dining table and storage solution for your kitchen. Just slap some wood on top of a support frame screwed into the wall and you've earned a new legless kitchen table. But wait, there's more. Add a rack made from two long boards with partitions in the middle, and you've got storage for all your kitchen essentials. It's like a kitchen table and an office desk had a baby. Not only will this combo save you space, but it'll also give your kitchen a unique and personalized touch. So get your DIY on and show your cluttered kitchen who's the boss. A DIY farmhouse kitchen pot rack idea from IKEA Fintorp. Looking to add some farmhouse charm to your kitchen? Well, look no further. This Fintorp hack will have your kitchen feeling like a cozy barn in no time. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional woodworker to pull it off. All you need to do is screw some boards into the wall and create a ladder-like frame, and then attach black Fintorp rails to the frame. Slide on some hooks and you win a charming farmhouse rack that will make your kitchen feel like a rustic haven. It's like Chip and Joanna Gaines showed up to give your kitchen a makeover, without the hefty price tag. How to give your open shelving or spice collection a new management. Hey, struggling to keep your open kitchen shelf organized? We are too. It's like a jungle up there with all the spices, plates, and books piling up. But fear not, dear viewers, because it's time to get your shelf together. And the solution? Bookends, or in this case, spice ends. Yep, just like organizing books in a library, it's time to sort your kitchen stuff by type. To make your own spice ends, grab some scrap wood, cut it to size, and insert it through the shelf. Not only will it keep your kitchen organized, but it'll also add some charming intellectual vibes to your cooking space. The English Cottage Plate Rack Project Idea. Want to show off your vintage tableware? Check out this English Cottage plate rack. It's like a work of art. And the best part, you can DIY the whole thing. All you need is some boards, dowels, and rails. Sure, it may take some effort to put it all together, but the end result is totally worth it. Not only will this plate rack add charm to your kitchen, but it'll also give you a chance to flex your DIY muscles. And who doesn't love a good colonial project, right? A cast iron pan rack project idea. Want to add an industrial vibe to your kitchen and declutter it simultaneously? Check out this cast iron pan rack. The sturdy design will secure your pans, so you won't have to dodge any flying cookingware while making dinner. You'll need pipes, pipe elbows, floor flanges, and wood hooks to make your own rack. Assemble the pipes into U-shapes, attach the flanges to the wall, and slide a board onto the pipes. Then add hooks for your pans. As we approach the end of our countdown, we want to remind you that our collection of home improvement ideas doesn't stop here. Simp Home's content collections offer a wealth of information on a variety of topics, including gardening, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrades, bedroom updates, and much more. So if you're looking for even more inspiration for your next project, be sure to check out our other collections. And as we wrap up this countdown, let's take a look at our top pick with Number 1. How to style a dull kitchen with the next awesome DIY made from scaffolding tubes. Are you tired of boring, basic kitchen racks? Want to impress your guests with a unique and stunning addition to your kitchen? Well, look no further. This DIY project featuring black scaffolding tubes as support will make your kitchen the talk of the town, or at least the dinner party. Just make sure you have a low wooden ceiling kitchen so it doesn't feel like a claustrophobic tube. Grab some scaffolding tubes, floor flanges, 90-degree elbows, and T-elbows and assemble them like a pro. Then sit back and bask in the glory of your DIY masterpiece, while your guests drool with envy. Well, that's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching this video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you believe it'll motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly, though, it is more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project, and we'll see you again soon.